Olivia Carper, and these are the three concepts that I learned throughout this course. The first one that I would like to discuss is font families. Font families are a group of fonts that are shared design characteristics within a particular typeface. So here are the two resources that I used quite a bit for this concept. Both were great in explaining this concept in a clear manner, but also gave fitting examples of the companies using font families. I found this really interesting learning about font families because of the different companies that use this concept to attract their intended target audience, like Jeep, for example. I'm a huge fan of Jeep in this brand. And when researching font families, I found out that Jeep actually uses Helvetica font family in their branding advertisements. So I thought that was a really interesting part of this concept. The second one is stylization, combining text and images. Combining text and images is a fantastic way to create a mood of design and attract the target audience. I really felt I was understanding this concept more during the design process of each week's design challenges. I needed to strategically select and edit images to create a mood for the Earth Day concept. So I thought this was really interesting, and I really enjoyed making the designs to engage with my viewers. Visual hierarchy. This is the last concept that I really took away from this course. When looking at a design or an advertisement, it is important to direct the viewer to the most valuable information first. And I thought that visual hierarchy was really interesting and needed in design to communicate all the necessary information to the target audience in the right order. So, especially doing that with the design challenges, it was really interesting where to place different things without using text. So, in the example of Earth Day, I found that just using images was the most tricky for me, just because I'm like, okay, this is Earth Day, but how am I going to convey that this is Earth Day just using images? So definitely visual hierarchy was a really interesting concept to learn about. These are the resources that were helpful to me in understanding this concept. I really enjoyed researching about like the different companies that use this concept and how they use this in their different designs and advertisements.